Operation video for multifunction domestic embroidery and sewing machine. Operation explanation. Seaming function refer to the third part contents. Embroidery function refer to the fourth part introduction content. First part. Sewing machine parts introduction. This is thread guide cover. Thread guide. Bobbin winding thread guide. This is thread tension dial. Turn left tension become small. Turn right tension become tense. This is spool pin. Spool cap. Bobbin winder. X bearing. The right of the front face is operation panel. The left is LCD. This is next page key. Utility stitch key. Embroidery key. Please press utility stitch key to select the stitch. Please press utility stitch key to set the stitch. Enter into stitch width adjustment. Press plus or dash to adjust to make the stitch wider or narrower. Enter into stitch length adjustment. Press plus or dash to adjust to make the stitch shorter or longer. After stitch setting, press Save button to save the stitch. Then press OK. If you want to recover stitch default setting, please press Reset button to reset default. This is extension table installation. Power supply jack fixing. Controller supply jack fixing. Main power on-off state. This is USB port. PC connection port. Main motor air vent. Not allowed to turn back while using. Feed duct switching button. Turn left is embroidery. Turn right is sewing function. This is presser foot lifting lever. Buttonhole lever. Thread guide bar. Presser foot. Presser foot holder. Feed ducts. Needle plate A. Needle plate B. Bobbin cover can change bobbin very quickly. Second part, sewing machine operation performance. Hold the needle with your left hand. And then use a screwdriver to turn the needle clamp screw toward you to remove the needle. With the flat side of the needle toward the rear of the machine, insert the needle until it reaches the needle stopper. And tighten the needle clamp screw. Replacing the presser foot. Press the black bottom at the back of the presser foot holder. Place a different presser foot below the holder so that the presser foot pin is aligned with the notch in the holder. Raise the presser foot lever to check that the presser foot is securely attached. Winding the bobbin. First, put spool on spool pin and fix with spool cover. Threading according to the mark route. Upper threading according to the mark 1, 2. At the position of mark 3, pass the thread into the bobbin hole. Please put bobbin on the fixing bar. Hold the thumb and press start button to winding. When winding 80% to 90% fully, and press start button to stop. According to left direction to pull the fixing bar, take out the bobbin and cut the thumb. Open bottom thread cover. Put bobbin on the hook according to needle plate mark with anti-clockwise direction, and cut the thumb along the cutting knife. Upper threading. First, put spool on spool pin and fix with spool cover. Threading from the direction of mark 1 to 5 according to printed route guide on the head cover. Then put take-up lever. Thread the crook. When the crook on the semi-auto threading device passes the needle hole, then loose the take-up lever. You'll see the ring around 3 to 5 mm, which formed by the thread past the crook. Put the thread and cut the thumb using cutting knife in face plate. The third part, sewing. Straight line sewing. Thread upper and bottom line and turn on the machine. Down the presser foot and place the fabric under the presser foot. Lower the presser foot lever, then press start button. You can adjust the speed from 110 to 850 RPM. When you press reserve stitch button to sew reserve stitches, you could press start button again while sewing work finishing and press trimming button to trim automatically. Then take the fabric when lift the presser foot lever. Buttonholing sewing. Choose the buttonholing length and fix the buttonholing presser foot on the lever. Put the button, then put the buttonholing presser foot lever. Select buttonholing stitch seam from the 48th to 57th design. When finished work, use seam ripper to cut towards the pin and open the buttonhole. Overlock seaming. Fix overlock presser foot on the lever and put overlock position on the left of overlock presser foot pin. Then select the overlocked stitches, the 11th to 13th pattern, and adjust the stitch setting to set fabric transmission and swing range. Turn the puller 3 circles with anti-clockwise to ensure the right position, then start sewing. Button attaching sewing. Set feed dog down. Measure the distance between the holes of the button to be attached. Select stitch 61 stitch. Adjust the sewing range value to the same as measuring size. Attach button attaching presser foot. Put the button on the cloth under the presser foot. Turn the puller 3 circles with anti-clockwise to ensure the fine position, then start sewing. The fourth part, embroidery. Embroidery fabrics attached. Loosen the embroidery frame adjustment screw and remove the inner and outer frame on the flat surface. Place the fabric with a stabilizer material on top of the outer frame. Press the inner frame in from the top of the fabric. Then tighten the screw. Fixing embroidery presser foot. Raise the presser foot lever. Loosen the presser foot holder screw. Fix the embroidery presser foot bar over the needle clamp screw to attach the embroidery presser foot to the lever. Then tighten the screw. Install the embroidery machine. Remove extension table and get the embroidery unit ready. Put the embroidery unit into the machine faucet closely. Press pattern key to enter pattern page. Select the pattern as yourself and enter embroidery function adjustment screen. Close picture will show how many present thread color is. Press setting key to change the color of the thread. Press the return key back to previous screen. Press Adjust key to enter the screen of pattern micro adjustment. Press color change and patching button to enter the screen of color changing and patch embroidery. Press parameter button to enter the screen of pattern makeup function to move. Rotate. Balance turning. Frame either running the patterns. Press size button for pattern enlarge. Decrease, moving and idle running setting. Alphanumeric letter database function operation. Press and enter main menu. Enter alphanumeric letter database button to select one character among 5 kinds letter character. You could set capital letter or small letter. Letter size also could be set. You could also reach color changing and patching embroidery button to enter into the interface. Press power meter button to enter into pattern makeup interface and reach the function of pattern up-down moving. Rotating. Balance turning. And frame idle running. Press size button to enlarge. Decrease. Moving and idle running pattern setting. You could also save and read letter combination and save 12 groups letter combination maximum. Border function operation. Enter into embroidery main menu. Press and select 10 kinds of borders at yourself. Press and enter to reach border function to 12 kinds of different stitches combination together with borders. You could reach patching embroidery while enter into patching embroidery interface. Press power meter button, enter into pattern makeup interface, and reach the function of pattern up-down moving. Rotating. Balance turning, and frame idle running. Press size button to enlarge. Decrease. Moving and idle running pattern setting. Embroidery work complete. When embroidery work finished, back to the main menu and press frame exit button. Lift the presser foot to take the frame out. The fourth part, parameter setting. First, press the setting button in the panel to enter into parameter screen. Menu first page item 1 is setting needle position up or down. Menu first page item 2 is setting fitting length adjustment. Forward direction is for long fitting adjustment, and reserve direction is for short fitting adjustment. Menu first page item 3 is setting sewing range width adjustment. Forward direction is for moving width. Forward direction is for wide adjustment. Reserve direction is for narrow adjustment. Menu page 3 item 1 is setting the measurement replacement between millimeter and inch. Menu page 3 item 2 is setting speed adjustment. Maximum speed is 800. Menu page 4 item 1 is setting sound adjustment, with sound on, without sound off. Page 4 item 2 is setting screen display adjustment, with picture on, without picture off. Item 4.3 is for adjusting needle, keep left or middle. Page 4, Item 4 is setting language. Page 5 is setting screen brightness adjustment. Dash is adjusted to darker. Plus is adjusted to brighter. After the setting completed, press previous key to return the main function menu. First, turn on the machine. Once hearing the beep, use your left hand. Thumb press start key and forefinger press previous key at the same time without loose. And leave your finger when the screen show item 28. Then press item 15 and enter into adjustment menu. Menu show cross. Use touch pen, press the center of cross continuously. Till 28 items completed. The sixth part, pattern saving and reading. First, insert USB into insertion port of the machine. Then turn on the power. Find the picture of USB in the screen. Press it and enter into USB reading state. Then press page up and page down button to select the pattern. After selecting, press Save button to save the control panel. Then press previous key to back the main menu. The seventh part, program updating. First, insert program updating USB into the machine. Then turn on the power. Once you hear the beep, use your left hand, thumb put on the previous key and forefinger put on knife key, and press at the same time till the program enter into updating state. The eighth part, machine maintenance. First, take the needle, presser foot, extension table, then hold needle plate to move forward yourself. After take up needle plate B, pick up the rotating hook. Use brush to clear it. Then put bobbin case into the hook. Cover with needle plate B. Install extension table and fix with needle and presser foot.